Nagbablog ako. Yan yung YouTuber.
I'm gonna post this on my own YouTube.
Hello, hoy. Hello sa mga followers niya. Hindi nila alam.
Janat.
Hi to my followers. Alam, hindi nila alam Tagalog ao. Ito mo kay Kaliya. I buy that. Binili namin yan. I buy that. I pick that. Thank you.
Oh my gosh.
Janat,
Our very is embarrassing.
I buy that too. Cheese. Alexa and Bea. Oh. That's this is sa akin. This is from us. This is also this one. Yes.
Ano yan?
I know po. This is. Wait lang. Janat Kalia.
No, put it in the bag. Put it in the bag so it's not too messy.
This is 800 pesos from me and open it. Somebody hold this. Okay, guys. Mag-call tayo.
Wait lang.
Happy birthday. What's inside? Ay, food. Let me take you.
Hanapin niyo ko.
There's a paper down. I bought that. I have like that. But it's so cute. I know that. My sister has it. Wait, ay, sorry. Wait, ano ito? Nilalagay sa plate mo. You're gonna eat it? You're gonna eat it? Janet,
Oh my god.
actually, rich mo talaga Malia.
Oh my god.
You're so rich. Oh my God, thank you for food. Okay, let her eat her toys na. Yeah.
Yeah, especially this one.
Go blocking Janet's page. 1,000. You're so rich. Rich. Hashtag queen never cry.
Riches.
A lot of people are looking. You're so rich.
Oh my god. Okay, let me take a photo real quick.
Mastermind.
Kaboom.
Guys, this is the mastermind of all of this. I buy this one. Kasi alam namin na
Oh my god, sa amin yan nila Serenity.
I picked
I
that.
almost got you a Squishmallow.
Oh my God, give me Squishmallow.
Hello Kitty.
Yes, give me some my arms.
But you don't like the colors.
Yeah, where's your gift now?
Kasama na siya sa gift namin.
Okay.
Yaan mo na yan.
Wait, I wanna open this. Yes, open it. Oh, yes, open it.
Oh.
Yeah, open the blind box.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Open that.
Let's see.
Ay, may marka pa. What are you wishing?
What are you wishing to get?
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
yung choices? Something Sigma.
My sweet piano. Ano daw?
Ano?
Oh, my sweet piano.
Okay, bro,
open it. Okay, bro, open it na. Ala,
Whatever.
Go.
Guys, I will never get lost. But I'm aggressive. Why are you so aggressive? Chill out.
Ano yan?
Oh.
Mas magnetic. You. Ano ito? Wait lang. Wait lang. Ito yung kinuha ko.
What is that?
I think you get a...
My arm hurts already.
Wala. I dare you to eat it.
Ew, no. My hand hurts. My arm is hurting.
Let me eat it. Go. But open it.
Mastermind right here.
Ay.
Open it.
Are you Sigma
Open it.
Oh, I got 2 of them. Wait, what did I get?
Ang dami pala.
I got the secret.
What? She got the secret. What?
Wait, what? I got the secret. Bea, we're so good at choosing. Hindi, may meron dito ko. Ayaw pala, hindi.
Ay, hindi.
Sayang. I will open this.
I'm on buy.
What the heck? This is Janet, ang tagal mo mag-open na naibos ko na yung juice ko. Oo.
I know. My arm is hurting already.
I'm gonna kill this. Bro's gonna eat it. We're making a mess now. Bro, open this, bro. Open this.
The mastermind and my mommy.
I need this like that. I wanna open that so bad. I'm gonna put the open it. Annalisa, do you have your phone? Why'd you smell that box?
Because it smells bad.
What's your phone? Open it. What's the phone you brought? Open it. We're gonna see
My phone.
iPhone? It's also rich. It's a place you can play with it.
Damn. It smells like rubber. You're so rich, Kalia.
This in the paper bag. I'm not. Look, there's here. And there's
Wala po pagkain ng kalat na.
paper bag. Put your callots there.
Oh my God.
I put the... Open mo. There's a chocolate egg. I'll put this here. You can eat that. I can eat the silicone.
Silicone?
Bro,
my hand's tired. Someone hold this.
Of that. Can I have a bite? Yes, can I have both? Can I have a little piece? Can I have a little piece? Can I have a little piece?
Just
Can I have that? Jana, please give me. I give
Oh my God.
Jana, please. Jana, let us smash it with a It's hard to eat. A piece. Give me a big piece.
Maingay.
Well, wow, you gave me so many. This is good. Me too. Hello, bro. Me too. You already get some.
I got an extra piece, guys. Of the favorite.
I got this one. The grocery, the supermarket, I guess.
Bro, can everyone compare our fits to Serenity and Janat's and Bea's fits? Why do they look so clean? It's also Kalia, but look at us. These three people.
What? I'm wearing a jump.
Yes, you guys look so clean, but look at us. We look like we're gangsters.
I think
I know.
that was the last one I think. You're a Sigma boy.
6 minutes. Oh, recording.
Okay.
Are you still recording?
Alright, bye-bye.
Here, bro.
Say bye-bye.
Okay, guys. So I will meet you guys later.
Say bye-bye.